Hello and welcome to Ontoclassroom. So I am also equally excited to teach you something new. So let's dive in. Okay, so tell me what all, what can you see over the screen? Just tell me. Yes. What can you see over the screen? Numbers, absolutely right answer. Okay, so you are able to see some numbers, right? All right. Now tell me what all numbers you are able to see. So what you will be doing here is you will just stick the number and will say 1. Okay. Similarly, now tell me all the numbers. Great. So you said 2, 3, 4, 5 is all just there. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Wonderful. Great. So you have given me all the numbers which are available on the screen. I just want you to remember these numbers, okay? Because we will be needing this image later. Okay. All right. So let us proceed. Okay. So these all are numbers. Which numbers? Natural numbers. So now let us understand what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers used to count physical things. Okay, so physical things. What do you mean by physical things? What do you mean by physical things? Tell me. Yes, so the objects which exist physically, which actually have some existence, right? For example, how many fingers do you have? Yes, write the number of fingers in this blue box. Okay, now write how many chocolates did you eat last month in this red box? And how many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? Write in this green box. Can you see that? Yes. So very good. Great. So you have 10 fingers. Wonderful. And you ate 3 chocolates last month. Very good. And you have 5 friends. Thanks for writing on the screen. All right. So all these numbers actually exist, right? You can count all these fingers, notebooks, friends, chocolates, all these things are countable, right? So all these things actually, if they are countable, they are natural, they exist naturally. That is why we can say that is natural numbers, that represent natural numbers. All right. Now let us consider one example. Let us consider one example here. Let's suppose you are in a classroom. You are alone in the classroom. All right. And you are waiting, like nobody is entering and you are sitting inside in the classroom. Okay. Now, after some time, what happens is 3 more of your friends entered the room. Okay, they have entered the room. Okay, now tell me how many total number of students are present in the classroom. There was 1, you were only there in the classroom, and then 3 more students actually entered. Right, how many students are there? Absolutely 4. So all these students which are in the classroom are countable, right? That is why we can say that 4 is a natural number, 1 is a natural number, 3, we can count 3 friends, 3 students. So that is a natural number. Okay. Now what happens is after some time, after 1 hour of their math class, all these students, what they did? They went out for having their lunch. Now let's do it. So from the classroom, all the 4 students, including you. Okay, so this red one is actually you, and these 3 students green, which I have marked in green. Now all these students have gone out to have their lunch. Now, can you tell me how many students are still inside the classroom? Tell me. They are right over there. Nobody is there. So what shall we write for no one? If nobody is there, then well done. So nobody is there. So it means how many? Still tell me how many. Can you give me some number approximately? Yes, absolutely. So it is 0. Wonderful. Great job. So when we talk about 0, when there is nothing, when there is no one, when you cannot count something, okay, so that is 0. That is what is 0. Understood? Wonderful. All right. So when we talk about 0, we talk about whole numbers. Okay. Can you see the definition? Yes. So here we are actually including 0. Rest all the numbers are same. Rest all the numbers are same. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1 because we need something, to count. So whole numbers actually starts from 0. Okay. Do remember whole numbers are all the natural numbers and 0. So 0 actually completes the family of whole numbers. We can say that. Okay. So by now we have studied that natural number starts from, yes, natural number starts from, and whole numbers starts from. Absolutely. I want you to write it. You said it correctly. Now I want you to write it. So natural number, very good, starts from 1, fantastic, and it goes till infinite values, and whole number starts from 0. Wonderful. Great job. Fantastic. Okay, you deserve a star, right? I'm stamping a star for you. I'm stamping a star for you. Wonderful job. Great. So by now we have understood the basic difference between natural number and whole numbers. That natural numbers always starts from 1, whole number starts from 0. Fantastic. Now I want you to see something now. All right. So just pay attention. Pay attention. Look at this picture. Okay, look at this picture. Observe this picture carefully. Yes. Now tell me what all numbers you are able to see. Just tick that and tell me. Let's suppose I'm doing this. 1. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 8, and 0. Okay. Now you tell me, this picture tell you something actually. Okay, which will be clear in the next slide. Actually, I'll be just proceeding with it. Okay, thank you so much for telling me all the numbers correctly. All right. Now I told you that you should remember the numbers, okay, of first image. Okay, here is that question. Can you compare it? Can you compare both the images? Can you find some differences or any difference? What is the major difference you see there? Okay, in the first image, there are some numbers. In the second image, there are some numbers. Now tell me, what is the difference? Can you see any difference? Can you tell me any one difference? Absolutely right. Okay, so here we are having 0, but in this first slide, we are not having 0. We are not able to see 0. Okay, so it means there would be one image of natural number and one of whole numbers. Now you tell me which image is of natural number. Which image is of natural numbers? Absolutely right answer. You just, yes, for natural number, write n. Which image is natural? Natural. Just write N. Very good. Fantastic. And for whole numbers, write W. Great. Okay, so you are able to just identify whole numbers and natural numbers. Okay, so do remember that whole number starts from 0, whereas natural number starts from 1. Can you give me some more examples of natural numbers? Okay, so let's talk about your bag. Okay, can you please bring it? Yeah, bring your bag. Now, just tell me, how many notebooks do you have in your bag? Yes, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great, fantastic. So 4 notebooks. So this actually, yeah, these notebooks actually, yes, these are natural numbers. Fantastic. Okay, so you can give me any other example as well. Like for example, how many pen do you have? How many pens do you have? 3 pens. Wonderful. Okay, so 3 is also a natural number. Okay, in fact, it is also whole number, because all the natural numbers are whole numbers. The only difference is 0 is additional in whole numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, I'll be sharing the worksheet with you very shortly. Okay, so go through the worksheet, and if you have any confusion or if you come across any doubt, do let me know in the next session. Wonderful having you and pleasure teaching you. Take care. Thank you so much.